A declaration of relationship letter can become one of the most important documents in immigration, visa, sponsorship, or legal processes, because if your relationship is not explained clearly and supported with strong evidence, authorities may question whether the relationship is genuine. This can lead to visa refusals, delayed applications, additional investigations, interview requests, or even rejection of sponsorship or immigration benefits. In many immigration and legal cases, officers carefully review relationship evidence to detect incomplete information, inconsistencies, or fraudulent claims. That is why this letter must clearly explain the history of your relationship, your commitment to each other, and the supporting evidence that proves your relationship is real and ongoing. So here is how to write it. Sender information. This is the first part of the letter where you identify yourself. For example, Daniel Thompson, 7845 Cedar Grove Lane, Seattle, Washington, 98101. United States, 206-5554-821. daniel.thompson@email.com. This section establishes who is making the declaration. Make sure your personal details match your official documents and immigration records exactly. Date. For example, May 22, 2026. After your contact information, include the date the declaration is written. This is important because immigration and legal documents often require current and updated declarations. Always use the most recent date before submitting your documents. Salutation. This is the formal greeting used in the declaration. For example, to whom it may concern, this is commonly used because the letter may be reviewed by immigration officers, government agencies, legal authorities, or other organizations. Keep the tone formal and professional throughout the letter. Opening declaration paragraph. In this paragraph, you officially declare the relationship. For example, I, Daniel Thompson, hereby declare that I am in a genuine relationship with Sophia Martinez. This immediately establishes the purpose of the declaration. For tip, always use full legal names exactly as shown on passports or official identification documents. Relationship duration paragraph. Here, you explain how long the relationship has existed. For example, we have been in a relationship since March 14, 2021, and our relationship has continued in a committed and genuine manner since that time. This helps establish the seriousness and continuity of the relationship. For tip, be accurate with dates because immigration authorities may compare them with supporting documents and travel history. Relationship history paragraph. This section explains how the relationship began and developed over time. For example, we first met at a university conference in Los Angeles, California, and over time our relationship developed through shared experiences, regular communication, and mutual commitment. This provides important context about the authenticity of the relationship. For tip, keep your explanation natural, factual, and consistent with your evidence. Current relationship situation paragraph. Here, you explain your current relationship circumstances. For example, currently, we are engaged and living together in Seattle, Washington. We maintain ongoing communication and support each other emotionally and financially. This demonstrates that the relationship is active and ongoing. For tip, mention practical aspects of the relationship, such as visits, communication, shared residence, or financial support when applicable. Supporting evidence section. This section lists the evidence supporting the relationship. For example, as evidence of our relationship, we may provide supporting documents including photographs together, communication records, travel records, joint bank account statements, lease agreements, affidavits from family and friends. Supporting evidence is extremely important in relationship-based immigration and legal applications. For tip, organize all evidence clearly and ensure dates and information remain consistent across documents. Purpose of declaration paragraph. This section explains why the declaration is being submitted. For example, this declaration is made in support of our spouse visa application. This helps authorities understand the purpose of the document. For tip, clearly state the exact immigration, legal, or sponsorship process involved. Truthfulness confirmation paragraph. Here you confirm the accuracy of the information provided. For example, I confirm that the information provided in this letter is true and accurate to the best of my knowledge. This demonstrates honesty and accountability. For tip, Never exaggerate or include false information in immigration declarations. Thank you statement. For example, thank you for your attention to this matter. This keeps the letter respectful and professional. For tip, maintain polite language throughout the declaration. Sincerely signature and optional partner declaration. For example, sincerely Daniel Thompson. Signature, this formally completes your declaration. For tip, printed signatures and notarization can strengthen credibility in many immigration cases. Optional partner declaration section. This section allows the partner to confirm the relationship as well. For example, I, Sophia Martinez, confirm that the information stated above regarding our relationship is true and accurate. Sincerely, Sophia Martinez. Signature. This adds additional credibility and mutual confirmation. For tip, if both partners can sign the declaration, it often strengthens the application. Optional notary section. This section is used if notarization is required. For example, subscribed and sworn before me on this 22nd day of May, 2026. Notary public signature. Seal. Some immigration or legal authorities may require notarized declarations. For tip, always check whether notarization is mandatory for your specific application type. Before we wrap up, here are some very important overall tips you should always remember when writing a declaration of relationship letter. Always be truthful, consistent, and detailed. Make sure your relationship timeline matches your supporting evidence, travel records, and application forms. Include strong supporting documents that demonstrate communication, shared responsibilities, visits, or financial connections. Most importantly, keep the letter professional, factual, and emotionally genuine without exaggeration. So that's how you write a declaration of relationship letter, step by step. As you can see, every part of this letter plays a major role in proving the authenticity of your relationship and supporting important immigration or legal applications. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video.